During the Cold War, France developed the AMX-50 line of prototype tanks, all featuring three main traits: an oscillating turret design, a drum autoloader, and usually armed with either the 90mm SA-47 cannon or the later 100mm SA-47L/58 cannon, except for variants like the AMX-50 sur base, which had a 120mm gun. Starting in 1945, the AMX-50 project aimed to counter the Soviet IS-3 tanks with fast-firing heavy tanks armed with punchy guns. Early prototypes like the AMX-M4 used 90mm guns, later switching to the 100mm gun from Arsenal de Tarbes. This 15kg shell travelled at 1,000 meters per second, delivering around 14,000 newtons of force, about 9 times the punch of a professional fighter's 1,500 newtons. This massive force, especially when striking the structurally weak welds between front armour plates, gave the T-54 a run for its money.